And this is the Menstrual Cup by Venus. I have tried several different brands. I really, really like this one because I like the size and the comfortability of the cup. Okay, no one likes to talk about girls' periods, but if you're looking at this, here we are. You have a period, just like me. Guess who's on her period today? Menstrual cups. This one's clean. It's never been used, so I can touch all over it. It's not gross. But if you're hesitant to use menstrual cups, I would just highly, highly encourage you to try it. And the first time you try it, you're going to be like, oh, this is not for me. It's too difficult. And then it's so easy. I promise you that I am a strictly menstrual cup user only. I do not use any other products for my menstrual cycle. I just feel like menstrual cups are the easiest, the most convenient, and they don't leave behind trash. I don't need to run to the store because I need products. I don't need to dig through the cabinets because I need something. I don't have to worry about my trash can being full of sanitary napkins and stuff like that. I don't need anything but my menstrual cup. I fold my cup like this. I fold it in half and then in half again and then put it up and then it opens up. And then I just kind of wiggle this bottom piece until it's comfortable. You don't feel it at all. If you can feel your menstrual cup, you should either try to readjust it or try to use the smaller size. I like to use the large size. I have a bit of a heavier period. If your flow is light to moderate or you are a very young person who's just now starting with your menstrual cycle, I would definitely go with the small, not the large. It also does come with a bag, so once you're done, rinse it, sanitize it, put it in the bag, I keep one in my car and I keep one in my house. So no matter if I start my period while I'm out and about, I can just run to my car, grab mine, and I'm good to go. I don't have to worry about going to the store or anything like that. The only thing I would say about a menstrual cup is, well, first of all, you can dump this. I dump my menstrual cup twice a day. Twice a day, that is it. When I wake up and right before I go to bed, because it doesn't fill up. It just doesn't for me. And I have a pretty heavy flow. This thing can hold a lot. Your period is not as heavy as you think it is, in my opinion, most of the time. Try it out. Try it out. They're very, very comfortable. They're very, very easy to use once you get the hang of it.